Hi, I'm Tori Hagaman. I wanted to introduce you to my all-time favorite landscape painting called Edge of the Woods. And even though I did this a number of years ago, it has remained my absolute favorite. Anytime I finish a painting, I like to take a few minutes and figure out what was good about it and maybe what wasn't so good, so that I can reproduce the things that worked and get rid of those habits that were not working. There were quite a few things about this painting that I really liked that I'd like to share with you today, in hopes that you can then take those tips and tricks into your own landscape paintings. I also love this painting so much, I decided I was going to paint it again, and that way you'll get to see how I did it. Stay tuned. One of the things that I really love about this painting is how subdued the sky is. I wanted this foreground, which is so strong, to be front and center stage and have all the drama, but that required putting in a sky that was more subdued. Most of my paintings have very strong skies. You'll notice in this one I actually used a yellow layer underneath and a very pale sky, and that yellow peeks through, and it was just real effective. It kind of gave a glow and just a unique look to the sky. I'll show you how I did that. The second thing that I think worked really well in this painting is the color harmony. Limiting my palette to a few colors really brought this painting together. In fact, here's the second painting where I limited the palette even more, and it just works. One thing I've noticed about other landscapes by different artists that I really like is when they have multiple layers of geography that take your eye back. And if you'll notice, the path is a layer, that highlighted field number 2, then there are the woods that are close up, then the woods that are behind that, then you have the mountains in the sky. So you have 6 layers of geography that really give a lot of interest and depth to the painting. I think that worked really well. One of my favorite things to do in a painting is to push the lights and the darks. And oh my goodness, that was so effective in this painting. We've got these dark, dark shadows and these super lights. I'll show you how I did those. I'll show you how I created the illusion of shadows crossing those trees. It was a whole lot of fun, and I think it worked really well. If you're interested in how I painted this favorite landscape from start to finish, I have the full course posted on Skillshare. Skillshare is a teaching platform that offers really high quality videos for all types of subjects, including painting. I'll put a link in the description box below if you'd like to check it out. If you'd hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe, it would be most appreciated. Thank you.